Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the new Realme 8 Pro versus the Vivo V20. And guys, the Vivo V20 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with the 8GB of RAM, while the Realme 8 Pro also has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with the 8GB of RAM. On the back, we get a quad cameras on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Vivo V20 we have a triple cameras. On the back, we have a 64 megapixel main camera on the Vivo V20, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a 108 megapixel main camera, so huge difference in terms of the camera wise. And guys, also on the back it is made up of glass on the Vivo V20, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have plastic on the back. So I am very excited to see that how is the new Realme 8 Pro is stack up against the Vivo V20. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off, so now let's start off with the boot up test between these two devices. Here we go. And the logo is here, more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V20. And also both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Realme UI 2.0, while on the Vivo V20 we also have Android 11 with the FunTouch OS version 11 as well. Realme versus Vivo logo, and you can see on the Vivo V20 it is more faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Realme 8 Pro, and Realme 8 Pro is taking a lot of time, and you can see huge difference between these two devices. And now the Realme 8 Pro it is also done, and you can see about 6 or 8 second difference between these two devices. And guess you can see that and both phones has a very beautiful display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on both these two devices, and the difference is that we have a water top notch on the Vivo V20, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a punch hole on the left hand side, which looks much better as compared to the water top notch on the Vivo V20. Both phones has a 60Hz refresh rate display, no difference in this area. And guys, everything's closed up in the background, no app is running in the background, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Like always, here we go, and that is just a tiny bit more faster on the Vivo V20 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. So next on the list is the settings on both phones, faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V20. Let's see Amazon shopping, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones, more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V20 as you can see. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is feels exactly the same on both phones again, and both phones has a 60Hz refresh rate display. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that is exactly the same on both phones. I have to say no difference there. Instagram, and that is exactly the same as well. Let's see Pin Out, next game application, and again exactly the same on both phones. I have to say no difference there as you can see. And also in both phones also has a single speakers, no dual speakers on the new Realme 8 Pro, and that's a really disappointing as well. But on the Vivo V21 we could see dual speakers. Let's see Snapchat, faster on the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Spotify, faster on the, I would say exactly the same at the end, not a huge difference. Again, and both phones has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, so both phones should perform similar, and you can see both phones is perform very similar, not a huge difference between these two devices. Let's see Temper Run 2, last game application we have in this speed test, and that is also little bit more faster on the Vivo V20 in this application only, but you can see that both phones is perform very similar in the game app loading time as well, but this time Vivo V20 faster there. Let's see the Twitter, faster on the Vivo V20 I have to say. Zedge, and that is more faster on the Vivo V20 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is exactly the same on both phones again. Both phones has 60Hz refresh rate display, no high refresh rate display on both these two devices. Now let's see YouTube on both phones, faster, you can see exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is again exactly the same, no difference there. And last time I launched the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one, and that is more faster. You can see exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the internet browser speed. I am seeing default Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's see wikipedia.org, and that is more faster on the Vivo V20 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is exactly the same. Yes, in the start I noticed some lags on both phones. So now let's open this. Faster little bit on the Vivo V20, not a huge difference. And next on the list is the apple.com, and more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V20 as you can see. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and we have a 8 GB of RAM on both these devices. Again, both phones is running on their latest software version, Android 11 on both phones. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, Amazon shopping, and that is a internet refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, that is not refresh as well. Instagram, let's see Pinout, no refresh so far on both phones. Let's see Snapchat, no refresh. Let's see Spotify, Subway Surfer. Let's see Temperament 2, that is refresh on the Vivo V20. So that's very interesting result. Let's see the Twitter, no refresh. Zedge, YouTube, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding apps opening speed, as you can see that and both phones is perform very similar in system based application as well as in game app loading time, which is obvious because we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G on both these devices. And also in terms of the RAM management wise, as you can see that and the Realme 8 Pro is perform incredible in the RAM management as compared to the Vivo V20. We have one application refresh on the Vivo V20. Overall really good RAM management on both phones. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Vivo V20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Realme 8 Pro, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.